Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you enjoyed last week's episode of software testing jobs that earn more than the national average. Today, I have another treat for you, this time in the field of data analytics. I'm talking some data analytics jobs that can earn more than the national average per hour in the United States. So are you ready for this one? Are you sure you're ready? You don't sound so sure. Are you sure you're ready for this one? Alright, let's cut to the chase. When it comes to data, today's world is very exciting. Companies generate volumes of data, millions of records of data, and a lot of times on a per second basis too. But guess what? They have all this data sitting there. But how is it that they're going to now manipulate that data in order to help them to make better decisions, to whether increase profits, to get a competitive advantage, to save on cost and all of that? This is where they need a person who is called a data analyst. A data analyst is basically in charge of extracting these insights from all of that raw data. So some of their responsibilities include data cleaning, making sure that the data is ready for analysis, and also generating reports, and also generating data visualizations, which enable stakeholders to understand the data from a visual perspective using charts, graphs, etc. They also collaborate very frequently with other persons, such as stakeholders in the business, so that they can understand their data needs and how they can help them to fulfill these needs. So it's a very interesting period in the world of data analytics. So how much does a data analyst earn? According to ZipRecruiter.com, a data analyst can earn an average of around $40 per hour. This is higher than the national average of $27 per hour according to ZipRecruiter. So guess what? If you want an exciting field to delve into and one that pays more than the national average, consider the exciting field of data analytics today. Another exciting career in the field of data analytics is a business intelligence developer, also known as a BI developer. What does a BI developer do? A BI developer basically is in charge of extracting insights from a business's data in order to help the stakeholders to make good decisions, similar to what a data analyst does. But they have some more responsibilities that are exciting. They are basically in charge of the infrastructure that is put together to ensure that data analysis is possible. So they work behind the scenes to make sure that the infrastructure supports this analysis. They also develop what are called data models to ensure that the data is organized as efficiently and properly as possible so that it can support drawing insights from the data. And they also are in charge of managing a process what is called extract, transform, and load, which is basically pulling data from different sources so that all data that is relevant can be consolidated into one place so that one can do analysis on a business's data. This is a very exciting role. So, you want to know how much it pays? According to ZipRecruiter.com, a BI developer earns, get this, $54 per hour. That is double what the national average is, bearing in mind that it is approximately $27 per hour according to ZipRecruiter. So are you thinking what I'm thinking? If you want to double your income today if you're earning at the national average, consider a career as a BI developer today. The next exciting data analytics career that earns more than the national average is a data scientist. A data scientist perform some similar duties to what a data analyst would do, where they gather data and they analyze it in order to determine trends and patterns that can help to inform companies in making the right decisions. But there's a difference. A data scientist, in addition to looking at trends and patterns of what happened, they also are like fortune tellers. They analyze the data to predict what will happen in the future. So, they gather and they analyze the data and they develop programs that can help to make predictions so that companies can gain competitive advantages, increase their profits, and also reduce their costs. Case in point, data scientists are needed to analyze data and make predictions so that they can know when credit card fraud will occur. So if a transaction is out of the norm, your bank will flag it immediately. These are some of the things that a data scientist does. So, how much does a data scientist get per hour? Again, according to ZipRecruiter.com, a data scientist can earn on average approximately $59 per hour. That is more than double the US national average. So, if you want more than double your income this time, consider a career as a data scientist. Here's another exciting career in data analytics, a data engineer. Whereas, for example, a data analyst analyzes data to determine trends and patterns to help organizations make better decisions, a data engineer is the one who ensures that the infrastructure that houses this data is sound. They ensure that the infrastructure is good so that the data can be easily accessible by organizations so that they can make analysis which can help them to make better decisions. So, they know a lot of database management tools and other business intelligence tools as well. So how much does a data engineer get per hour? According to ZipRecruiter.com, a data engineer's salary per hour is, get this, $65 per hour. Compare that to $27 per hour, which is the national average. That is a significant jump in pay. So, you cannot tell me that you do not want to become a data engineer if you especially want to increase your salary more than double. So, if you want to more than double your salary, consider especially a role as a data engineer. Well, my friends, I just shared with you 4 careers in data analytics that earn more than the US national average. These are careers you can consider. But guess what? It's not limited to only these 4 careers. There are numerous careers in data analytics as well that you can explore. So I encourage you today, explore these careers so that you can increase your income and also do some exciting work. Consider a career in data analytics today. I hope you found this informative and let me know in the comments below if this was helpful. Also, if you have any questions or things that you want me to talk about in future videos, feel free to let me know in the comments as well. But if you found this very valuable, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your colleagues, your friends, your families, share it with everybody so that the word can get out there. And don't forget to tap that subscribe button as well. So thanks for joining me on this episode, and I will see you in another one on this journey to tech with courage. See you soon.